In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate rank in Microsoft Excel. To get started, open your Excel file and make sure your data is ready. You'll want to have the scores for each person already entered into the worksheet, with each score in its own cell. This method works best when your list is organized clearly, so it's easy to identify which score belongs to which person. Once your scores are in place, click on an empty cell that lines up with the person whose rank you want to calculate. In that cell, you'll enter a formula that tells Excel to compare that person's score against the full list of scores. Type an equal sign, then enter the RANK.EQ function. After opening the parenthesis, select or type the cell that contains the score for the person you're ranking. Then type a comma, and after that enter the full range of cells that contains all the scores. One important detail here is that you should lock the first and last cells in that score range by adding $signs before the column letters and row numbers. This creates an absolute reference, which helps keep the range fixed if you use the formula again for other rows. After that, close the parenthesis and press enter. Excel will immediately return a number, and that number is the rank for that person's score within the list. A higher score will receive a higher position in the ranking depending on how your score list is arranged and how Excel evaluates the values. If you want to calculate the rank for other people, you can use the same exact formula structure. The main thing you need to change is the first cell reference inside the parentheses. That first reference should always point to the specific score for the person you're currently ranking. The full score range should remain the same, especially if you've already locked it with $signs. This makes ranking multiple people much faster, since you don't have to rebuild the formula from scratch each time. Just update the individual score reference and Excel will do the rest. And that's it. That's how to calculate rank in Microsoft Excel. Once you get comfortable using RANK.EQ, it becomes a quick and reliable way to compare scores and organize performance data in a spreadsheet.